Greetings, Sister SAS.
Greetings.
Once again, we're in the male dungeons in Cape Coast.
This is correct. We're in the male dungeons.
And Sister SAS is going to set up the libation and lighten up the candles.
Most sacred time of the journey, the honoring of our ancestors. So we're setting up the altar here at Cape Coast, returning. Never to forget, always to remember. So we're going to prepare to pour our libations, prayer here at the altar. As we do, it is the time to honor our historical and personal ancestors. You will want to participate and call out those names of the ancestors which have guided you home, have guided me home. You know them, they know you. So we're going to pour the libations, and as I pour it, feel free to call them out. They may call you out. We're not in a rush. When I pour the libation, in the honor of my mother, Bessie Lee Smith, and my father, Warren Thomas Smith, from the Mississippi Delta, I say Ashe. Ashe. So call out the names of those that you're inspired to call out. Ashe. 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 You can call them out. Ashe. Fannie Lou Hamer. Ashe. Papa. Ashe. 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 The Honorable Kwame Nkrumah. Ashe. The Honorable Marcus Mosiah Cosby. Ashe. Honorable Queen Mother Moore. Ashe. The Honorable Kwame Ture. Ashe. Your mother.
James Baldwin.
Ashe.
Audre Lorde.
Ashe. Frederick Douglass.
Ashe. Sojourner Truth.
Ashe. Nat Turner.
Ashe.
Lee Vesey.
Ashe.
Harriet Tubman. Ida B. Sojourner Truth.
Ashe.
Prince Hall.
Ashe. Mary McLeod Bethune.
Ashe.
Booker T. Washington.
Ashe.
W.E.B. Du Bois.
Ashe.
John Carver.
Ashe.
Ashe.
The Honorable Nana Bafur, Dr. Asa Grant Hilliard.
Ashe.
Ashe. Ashe.
Ashe. Marcus Garvey.
Ashe. There's so many that we won't know the names of. There's so many that jumped overboard off Maiafa. From the north, the south, the east, and the west. We honor you. It's holy ground. It's holy ground because we're here. Thank you, ancestors. We're on your shoulders standing tall. This bright star, Marcus Garvey, has called us home. We thank you. We glorify you. We honor you. We never forget you.
Let's make a special tribute to those who didn't make the journey. Let's do that.
Ashe, come forth. All those who live.
Yes.
Say it, sis.
We give a special tribute to those who did not make the journey, to those who sacrificed their lives or lost their lives, those who went on to the other side to be strong for us on this side.
Ashe.
We honor you and we just respect you. We take this moment, we honor the ancestors that we know, those who lived, those who made the other side of the Atlantic, but we want to just pause for those who are in the Atlantic, for those who moved onto that other side so that those of us who were on ships, those of us who were on the bellies and in the bowels of ships could grow strength, because we know how energy moves. Sometimes energy will transform itself early so that it can be part of the ecosystem for the energy that survives. And so we just pause right here to thank those whose names we will never know, those who would be lost before they could ever recreate or procreate. And so we thank you and we honor you. We honor you in this moment. Thank you. And Ashe.
Ashe. Ashe. Oh. Anyone else?
I'd like to add that the Arab slave trade began about 900 AD.
Yes.
We're talking about the European slave trade on the west, which started in the 1400s. Remember,
Yes,
also those ancestors who perished and continue to perish.
yes.
Ashe.
Ashe.
All of them.
Yes.
Named in a name.
Yes.
Call out the names if you want to complete the process, individually and collectively.
Yes.
Honor all those who are being honored through you, as you, and for all of us. Ashe?
Ashe.
Ashe?
Ashe.
Ashe, oh.
Ashe.
I think we should honor the ancestors who lost captives along the way, the ones who were left behind here in Ghana as well. You know, who turned and their families were gone and they didn't know where they were brought to. So,
Ashe.
Absolutely. Ashe. Ashe, oh. Don't you know? Yes. Right here, right now. Sacred ancestors, rise up. Up, you mighty nation, you can accomplish what you will.